Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I'm gonna try to make this video quick, but I need to keep everybody locked in. I need you to have your pen, I need you to have your paper, I need you to take these notes, because again, I've been saying from the top of this year that a lot of these banks is gonna be changing their policies when it comes to getting approvals with business credit, business funding, whatever you want to call it. They are changing things and they're tightening it up. So we're going to be talking about KeyBank, right? So let's start off with the first thing, because we got a lot. We're going to talk about the credit cards, business lines of credit, foreign entity, but let's start off with the beginning. If you just want to open up a business checking account, I've been a member with KeyBank. I had a business credit card a little over two and a half years. I believe I did that video when I got approved for them, but we're going to give you an update what's going on. When you walk in today to KeyBank, if you have a KeyBank in your location, if you're thinking about opening up a banking account with KeyBank on the business side, when you walk in, you got to have all your documents together. KeyBank, I'm letting you know, they are not playing it. You have to have your article organization. You got to have your EIN number. You got to have your business address. That business address has to be tied to that article of organization. If that address is different in any way, they will not open an account with you. I'm letting you know now. When you provide your business phone number, if it's not an actual business phone number, they're not gonna let you open an account. So that's step one we're talking about. Please have all your documents and everything is structured the proper way, right? So you want to go in there, you want to open up a business checking account because you heard great things about KeyBank. You want to get their credit cards. They're known for giving out high limits, which is really good when it comes to KeyBank. I like them, right? So if you're thinking about coming there, you don't live in an area where KeyBank is located at. You're not in the state where KeyBank is located at. I'm saying everything slow because I want you to understand clearly so you're not in my comment. If you have an LLC, a foreign entity LLC, where you might be in California and they don't have a KeyBank, right? But you want to use this foreign entity LLC and go to a state where KeyBank is at and open up a business checking account. I'm letting you know now. If you use any of these, I want this to be clear because I don't want nobody getting in the comment. If you, like I said, you're in California, you're coming to a state where KeyBank is at, New York or whatever it may be, and you're opening up this business checking account, right? You got this foreign entity LLC. You got all your documents, right? And you are having your business address with iPostal in that state, right? You will be denied. They will not open an account. If you have, let me go right here. If you have Opus, which I did a full breakdown of Opus, you will be denied. I'm letting you know now. If you have a business address with Regis, which I always say Regis is the best, hands down, but they're a little pricey, they're a little on the expensive side, you will be denied, right? KeyBank has systems that could show that this is not actually a business address. You get what I'm trying to say? They could detect that this is actually a business virtual address. They will deny you. You will not be able to open up a business checking account with them. So if you got Regis, if you got Opus, if you got iPostal, and you're trying to use that with that LLC, when you go to that state and open up a business checking account with them, you will be denied. So please do not waste your time, right? So that's with that. Now let's go over to the business line of credit, right? Now for years, you might have seen video, you might have, went to mentorship. People might have told you, hey, you could get $25,000, you could get $50,000, you could get $75,000, $100,000. There's even people online saying they got up to $550,000 with no documents. Guess what, people? KeyBank is not having it anymore. As of October 1st, people, you will not walk in KeyBank and get a business line of credit over $50,000 with no documents. Right? Let's make that clear. I'm trying to move slow with this video because I want people to really understand this, right? So don't tell me, don't be listening to these people telling you you're going to go get out there and get 100,000, 75,000, 350,000, no documents with Key Bank. Absolutely false. Absolutely false. What they are doing now, so let's say you come to the bank and you're asking for 50,000. Now you use this in the mentorship. They said you could get up to 50,000. Business line of credit, no documents. You're excited, you're happy. People, it's cap and it's false. It's not happening. Key Bank have changed their policy. If you come in today and ask for 50,000, what they're gonna do, what I've been saying since early this year, what they have done with Bank of America, what they have done with Truist, right? Whatever you put on that application, so let's say you say, I make 100,000, I made 150,000, whatever it may be, they're making you sign the paper. They're making you sign it. They're requesting your 4506T from the IRS so they could prove what you actually made with your business, people. They're tightening up. This is what the banks are doing. This is why I'm stressing to fix your personal credit and build your business side the proper way and the right way. So please do not send me no emails. Do not send me anything asking, can I get $100,000? No documents or Key Bank. Absolutely no. It's cap. I'm saying it again. You cannot. They are tightening up their system and they're getting your actual numbers. So if you go there and say you want a $50,000 business line of credit and they ask you how much you make, and you tell them, right? They're going to make you sign that paper. They're going to request for your 4506T. They're going to see your actual number. And if you lied on that, you will be blacklisted. You will not be able to open an account. You will not be able to get any kind of products with Key Bank. So again, update with the business line of credit. Eventually, anything over 25,000. I'm gonna call that in the next year. They're gonna start asking for this. So again, please stop listening to people telling you can get 100,000, 200,000, 350,000, 550,000. Just look it up on YouTube. You'll see people telling you that. It's cap. It's a lie. They're asking for documents. Yes, they are. And they will get your actual numbers from the IRS with the 4506T or the 4506C. Look both of them up. Start learning these codes. Start learning what the banks are doing. They are changing their policies. I want to see y'all win, but I've been telling y'all for years, fix your credit so you don't have to go through these things. You have everything in order. Simple as having an actual business address, an actual business phone number. People can't even get that right. But again, I came here to give you these couple little updates what Key Bank is going on. And I'm going to keep giving you updates because there's a lot of banks, changing their policies. Truist really changed the game with them coming with the 4506T to get your actual numbers. Now you can't walk in there and get no business line. You can't even put your projector. You cannot do anything. Banks are tightening up. So again, tell me what you think about all these changes. Get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.